Hello everyone. Today I want to do a comparison between the SONOS One and the Play One. Today we'll be doing a sound comparison between these two speakers and just checking out if the sound quality is about the same. First of all, I do believe that the sound quality is pretty much the same in both speakers, but this video serves more as a confirmation of that. I'll be giving my own opinion at the end of the video. When both speakers are compared, I haven't heard them side by side so far, so this will also be the first time I'll be hearing them. Please listen with headphones on for the best quality. And one last thing to know is that they are both the settings on both speakers are with the same EQ, and they haven't been true play calibrated, and loudness is on both speakers, so the settings are exactly the same. So I hope you will be enjoying this video, and let's start with the SONOS One on the right. Another thing to know is that both speakers are set at the same volume level. So here you have the comparison of both the SONOS One and Play One. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And my apologies for the little blurry blurry moment in the video, but my phone's battery was apparently almost empty. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and in my opinion, the difference between the SONOS One and the Play One is pretty minimal. There, however, is a slight difference between these two speakers. Probably the first thing is, which I've noticed, is that SONOS One has a little more clarity for some reason. I'm not sure why, and if that's just because it's maybe on the couch or just the settings or just product variances, but it does have a slightly more clearer sound in my opinion. On the other hand, the Play One did seem to play a tad harder, even though both speakers were set at exactly the same volume. So it's pretty odd, but again, that could be the product variances or even just the position which both speakers are in. Overall, they're not that different, and I wouldn't be buying a SONOS One just for better sound quality, as it's rather minimal. I think there's a slight difference, but it's pretty minimal. Overall, they do sound great, for the price. They're pretty decent speakers, plus you do have integration with the Sonos system overall. Like I said before, there is, however, difference in terms of design. The one has a connect button attached to the back of it, which you can see here, and the Play One has a screw, which does give a slight edge to this speaker in my opinion. It's much more suited for mounting purposes. But overall, the new SONOS One does look pretty sleek. It will have voice control enabled in the near future. So that's a big plus, obviously, for me to control the Philips Hue lights, obviously also. Another thing is the old stands with SONOS One don't work anymore, obviously, because of the mounting screw. So now you have to order these new types of stands which don't use any screw, but do give the SONOS One a more, how could you say it, a more refined look. So that's something you should look out for. Examples are this stand, which is from Vogelen. It does make the SONOS One look pretty neat, especially with the bottom base also attached, which I can show you. Just a moment. So this new SONOS One stand is a pretty nifty thing. It's made by Vogels, and it's a swivel stand, so you can simply swivel the Play One in which position you want without making it look less elegant. So it does look pretty neat. But like old mounting from Flexon and others won't work with this speaker because it doesn't have a screw mount. So I hope you've enjoyed this comparison. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. Thanks for watching and goodbye.